Hi, I'm Duncan, co-founder of Vetter. Vetter is an employee ideas tool that can be set up to get you more and better quality ideas, especially from those folks doing the work, shipping the product, getting their hands dirty. Let's dive in. The submission form can be customized in several ways, such as we can add extra fields here, we can add some categories, we can enable anonymous submissions. If you want to target ideas of a specific kind, you can launch an idea challenge and watch the ideas, the brainwaves, the solutions flow in. Key part of the package we provide is our QR codes and posters. Scan the QR code to submit an idea. The submission page will look something like this. Vetter has powerful tools to help give feedback on submissions. You can keep people in the loop with status updates. Assign a person as an idea owner and give them a due date to stop ideas falling through the cracks. We have an optional feature whereby an employee will get a submission number when they submit an idea, and they can scan a second QR code and look up the status of their idea by inputting the submission number. It's a bit like tracking a package on the FedEx website. Reports, analytics, and all your data can be viewed and extracted to Excel at the click of a button. User data, group data, category data, it's all here. Finally, I want to show you a few more optional features. Groups enable you to organize employees by location or role. You can appoint group admins if you wish. Our Rate Ideas feature is used by about half our customers. It's your call on switching it on or off. That's just a quick mini demo. If you'd like a full demo, just let us know.